Watch, right here is a good starter.
Alright.
Hold it for me. Hold it. Right, you got
Did
good
you drop the parts off for him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spin it.
Okay.
It's
Alright,
not
cool.
very easy. This is the
Alright.
same one. It's the same way. So you know you got that same one. Same way.
I'll give you a call back.
It almost wants to pull when it comes out. It pulls to the back.
What to do with it.
This one pulls to the back, but shouldn't be able to do that. This one can't do that. So you know. How do you tell a starter's bad? The new one versus the old one. Okay, it's brand new to old one. Now watch this. I'm gonna show you right here. Watch this. How this does this. You pick it up, set it down, you pull it all the way out. You just show you something. You should not be able to do that. You see how I'm turning it this way? It's really hard. Right here, you should not be able to do this. So you stick it out, so it comes out. That's what happens when the starter fails. Watch this. You shouldn't be able to go like this. You should be able to turn it that way. That means it's failed. I'll show you on the new one. So you kick out, should be no being able to turn that with a hand. Now I'll show you here. The new one kicks out. Can't do that. Cannot turn it. You see this? It will not let me turn this clockwise. If you turn it around, it will be clockwise. So if you turn it, it will not allow you to turn clockwise. It goes back into place. That's a good starter. Now with this starter, that's how you tell. Bad starter, watch. I can actually take it, pull it out. Look at us go. Bad starter. How to verify your repair right there. Pretty easy stuff. Plenty of videos out there. Just want to show you how to verify that part. There you go. Identical part, match them up. This free spinning. That's not. This is definitely a fix. Hope that helps. I hear more people don't know how to verify starters, good or bad, once you get them off. This is definitely failed. This has been doing intermediate starts. Now I know why. So verify the repair. It'll work perfect. I'm going to show you on your starter. You should not be able to spin. You continue spinning in that direction. That's okay, but it should never be able to pull out. Go that way. It should pull out and lock. Yours is